Hello, hello. I am so excited. Today is Monday, and this coming Thursday, the 19th, I have my first ever art gallery opening reception, and I am so excited. I vlogged all of the experience of setting up the art gallery with my husband this past Friday and Saturday. And I hope you guys enjoy this little video that's kind of just behind the scenes of that process. And before I show that, I wanted to share that my art gallery actually got extended. It was originally going to be a month long through October 17th. But what's so exciting is that the owner asked if we could extend it through the new year. So I am so thrilled with that. And it's also very motivating to keep on painting and adding new original artwork and new prints in that time as things sell. So I'm just feeling so stoked and excited. And I can't wait for you guys to see the behind the scenes and another vlog in the future of recapping the art gallery reception itself. So without further ado, let's check out all that we've been up to. Loaded up with this wagon, which we got from Costco. I'm so happy that we got it. We've got our prints, original framed artwork, all loaded up, some snacks and water and fuel for while we set up for a few hours, and we are good to go. All right, before we start driving, I want to take a poll. How long do we think it's going to take to set up this gallery? I think we're starting around 12:30. I think we'll be done, I want to say around 4:30. What's your guess?
Yeah, 3:30 to 4:30.
Okay, well, we will see how long this takes. First gallery in the books. So I'm gonna start with painting the horizontal paintings first on this in-between wall. And I have 10 horizontal paintings, but I'm gonna hang 9, and I'll have maybe 3 more that I'll have displayed in the window nooks. But it's deciding which ones are gonna be displayed in the nooks versus the wall. That's gonna be fun to decide on, and coordinating what national parks and the colors of them are gonna have the most like contrast. So that'll be really fun. Eric, how are we doing?
Doing all right. Getting things done. Still a lot more to do.
Yeah. Got our prints in our prints display. Another little window nook done. With Eric. And now we tackle the big mama wall with all of these paintings and some extras. So it's going to be quite an adventure. All right, the final painting for the Mega Mama wall. That's what I'm calling it. Great Sand Dunes, Colorado. Woo! He is the real MVP hanging all of these. Alrighty, so that took 6 hours, but we did it.
6:48.
6:48 started
we got
at
it done.
12:15.
We got proof to show you.
Yeah, so I'm really excited. He was a champ, and I'm so thankful for his help. All right, so this is day 2 of setting up for the art gallery. In 5 minutes from stepping foot in here to price everything, there was a customer that came in, and she was like, is there a way to buy anything now? I know things haven't been priced yet. I've already asked an employee. And luckily the owner of the potting shed came up, Jack, and I asked him. He's like, oh yeah, go for it. And I'm thinking the gal wants prints, but she wanted to buy an original. And I was like, okay, so thrilled about that. She's allowing me to keep it up through the gallery openings. That way everyone can see it in person, and I still have art prints matted and unmatted of the original. And so people still get to see it, but I get to put my first sold card on a painting. And I'm just so excited. That's just the best feeling ever, to sell an original. It's just so just affirming and exciting to see and meet the customer as well in person. But today I am basically pricing everything with some authenticity cards as well. And then I'm gonna finish matting up some more matted prints back there. I'll have a couple dozen of those. Aside from that, we are ready to go for this coming Thursday's gallery opening, and I cannot wait. Well, not like a half hour later, a couple came in that are friends with the owners and bought another large painting. They bought the Great Smoky Mountains one. They're letting me keep it through the gallery opening so everyone can still see all the paintings, and they'll receive it after. So yeah, I have marked both of them as sold, but literally an employee and I jumped up and down and we're so excited after the couple left. Like, she was like, congrats, and she's so sweet, and we were just jumping up and down, so excited. And it's my first gallery, so this is just like, I have no expectations or really know what to expect. So thankful and just so honored and excited that people want these paintings in their homes. So I got these certificate of authenticity cards off of Etsy. I'll link the link in the description. But it shows the medium, the title of the painting, and my signature for each of the artworks that sell. And I'm just using these Velcro circles I got off of Amazon. I'll also link those to stick them on to my paintings. And that way they're easy to take off, but they can go home with the customer that makes a purchase for it. Okay, so all of the original paintings are officially priced. Next, I am pricing all of my art prints, which is about 125 of them. So here goes nothing. that is a wrap. So all in all, I think it took around 10 hours to set up the gallery, including yesterday and today. But everything is priced and merchandised and displayed well, and it was so just great to see everything come together. So I'm super excited for this Thursday, September 19th, for the gallery opening, and I can't wait to see all of you there for those that can make it in person. But definitely stay tuned for a art gallery vlog for the opening reception that I'll definitely put together just as a keepsake to remember my first art gallery. So bye, see you then.